So Corbey Construction in its current form has been since 2003. I've been a bricklayer myself for nearly 36 years and I trained as an apprentice myself. We currently take on about 5 apprentices a year. We've currently got 12 apprentices on. We've worked with all the local training providers and I've pretty much built up my whole workforce from people that I've trained up or have been trained up by the company, and now they are either bricklayers for me or actually supervisors who are actually running the sites for me as well.
I work on site 4 days a week, and then 1 day a week I'm in college for a day learning how to build. And we do 3 lessons of practical and 1 lesson of theory where we learn about bricklaying and more in depth.
I always wanted to be in a trade, but with the stigma around me being a woman, it kind of set me back a bit further, so I've started a bit later in life, but it's the best thing I've ever done. I'm a very hands-on person. I like to be using my hands a lot. You get to learn the trade instead of like going into a full-time bricklaying course that you're not being paid for. You come here, you're getting paid to work and you're learning the trade.
I'd say the most enjoyable thing about being an apprentice is the fact that I get to learn a trade that I love. It's getting paid to learn. Yeah, in the future I'd like to either stay as a subcontractor for Giles or try and branch off and maybe start my own company.
I just think it's an excellent way to come into the construction industry. I was an apprentice myself. It's just so crucial that we create and train our own workforce. Using the younger workforce, they're highly motivated, they're highly skilled in the latest developments in the industry. It's suitable for any firm, whatever size. You know, it's just such a good way of creating a local workforce.
It sort of brings you into the right industry, gives you the right skills, brings you in a bit slower.
If you really want to get into the trade and you want to learn, I'd say going for an apprenticeship is 100% the best option. You're in the environment and there's no better place to learn a trade than on site.
My message to other people would be just do it, because I held back so long and now I'm later on in life. I wish I'd done it so much earlier because it's the best thing I've ever done. So if you've got something in your head, just go out and do it.